into one playful rhyme. Mowgli, the sheep, and the parrot green. Mowgli ran through jungle deep, met a sheep who'd lost some sleep. Baa Baa Black Sheep, where's your wool? Gone to the market, my bag's not full. Up above on a branch so high, a parrot squawked from the morning sky. Pretty boy, don't you fret. Mowgli will help, you can bet. So off they went, the jungle crew, Mowgli, the sheep, and the parrot too. They found the wool with monkeys sly, swinging and knitting beneath the sky. Mowgli laughed, the sheep gave thanks, the parrot danced on tiger's flanks. In the jungle, friends are near, even when your wool's not